Thank you for choosing Architectural Mall. This quick tutorial will guide you through installing radius stair railings. A PDF version of this guide is also available on our website. Unload and unpack your order. Make sure all the parts and pieces are there. Make sure everything is stored on a solid, flat surface. When using our newel posts, place and mark all newel post locations first. See previous videos on proper newel post setup. Set up posts temporarily, making sure they are level. If posts exist, lay the bottom rail next to the posts on the stairs. Measure the distance between the posts to determine where the cuts will be made. Mark these measurements by using a combination of speed square, level, and pencil. Use an angle finder to measure the angle of the stairs. Transfer angle onto the rails. Mark and cut using a combination of circular saw and angle grinder as needed. Gradually shave the rails as needed for a precise fit. Repeat the process for both bottom rails. If needed, clean the surface that the rails sit on with a grinder to ensure a flat and proper fit for the rails. They must lie flat on the surface they are sitting on. Using a measuring tape and a speed square, mark the correct spacing for the balusters on the bottom rail. This will require some math to be done on site. Transfer these markings to the corresponding top rail. Apply the same angle from the bottom rail to the top rail and cut the top rails. Drill holes into both rails at the angle the balusters will be installed. Repeat this step for all rails. Using the same angle as the rails, mark and cut each baluster. Trim shorter if needed and clean the ends of each baluster. You may need to dry test the rails several times to ensure a proper, tight fit. Fill the space between posts and rails with foam before caulking. Once the railing system is set, caulk all balusters to the rails and rails to the posts. This concludes the guide on how to install our radius stair railing. There are more videos on stair installations, railing to column installations, as well as other products. Again, thank you for considering our products for your project.